Today on Makeshift Crate, we're taking this old lamppost from this into this. Hey guys, I'm Corey, this is Makeshift Crate, and we are working on redoing this light post today. So this has been here as long as we've lived here, about 20 some years, and it really needs to be redone. It's crooked. The pole thing is like missing a whatever decorative thing. Yeah, so we're gonna work on redoing this today. Try to get a solar lamp for it. Go from there. So we need to start by getting this thing off, getting this out, going from there. Well, that was easy. It was only one screw holding this thing on. Electrical's done. I tapped it all off because we're not going to be using it. We have a solar powered one. So, get this bar taken out, start getting this thing painted. Alright, so we're like 95% done. We gotta do something about this pole. So, we can make a real quick trip to Lowe's, see if we can find another or something we can use for that. Put that in, and we should be done, guys. So. Okay, so we're back, and I couldn't find this correct diameter, so I went a little bigger. This is actually copper, this is aluminum, but once I cut it down, scuff it up, paint it, it should work just fine. So. Super happy with how this turned out. It was only like an hour's worth of work, but it made a world of difference. If you want to see more videos like this, there'll be a playlist up here. YouTube will suggest something for you, and we'll see you in the next one.